Hi there! Snipcart gives you the flexibility to create the checkout flow that's best suited for your business needs. One way to do that is by adding custom fields to our default cart template. In this video, I'm going to show you how to add two new fields in the billing step of the form. The first one will be for the customer's phone number, and the second one, an opt-in checkbox to subscribe to a newsletter. Right now, what you see is the default billing screen. Let's go to our code editor to make these changes. Start by locating the Snipcart div that contains your API key. In this div, add a custom component named Billing. If you want the field added to the top section of this component, specify that the section is top. Now, let's add some markup to make it look neat. I'll add a field set and a div. Then, I'll add the custom field. First, create the label using our Snipcart label component. Next, add an input. The name of this input will be the name of the custom field. In this case, it's going to be called phone. Save the file and refresh your browser. You'll see the new phone number field is now added at the top of our billing form. Time to tackle the newsletter subscription checkbox. Go back to your code editor. This one will be added to the bottom of the billing form, so open a new billing tag and set the section to bottom. Let's add a bit of markup for this one as well. Then, add a Snipcart checkbox component with the name subscribe to newsletter, which will be the name of this particular custom field. Finish with the label. Save and refresh the browser once again. You now have an opt-in checkbox for people to indicate that they want to subscribe to your newsletter. If you fill the form and go on with the checkout flow, you'll see that the data is persisted. The generated custom fields will also be visible in your dashboard when consulting order details. You could add custom fields to your checkout for pretty much anything you need. You could also add drop-downs listing limited answer options for these fields. To push the cart customization further, please refer to the customization section of our documentation.